So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++ 2010. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down, you're going to select your language, and then click on download. We're going to be getting two downloads right here, x86 and x64. Do not get the IA64 one, you just want to get x64. So you're going to get both of these, and then click on download. If you get something like this where it says Microsoft is asking you to download multiple files, you're going to click on allow. So we should now have both files downloaded. You now want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder, which is now going to take us into our downloads folder. We should now be seeing both downloads right here, 64 and 86. So we're now going to download both of them. So I'm just going to start with the first one that comes up here, which for me is going to be 64. I'm going to double click on it and then click on yes. And then once this comes up, you're going to tick this, I have read and accept the license terms, and then click on install. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you're going to click on finish. And now for the second one, you're going to double click on it, and then click on yes. And now this will come up. Again, you're going to tick this box, and then click on install. It's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you're going to click on finish. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.